What is a clutch plate? A clutch plate is one of the most essential components in a manual transmission system. It plays a crucial role in controlling power transmission from the engine to the wheels. Think of it as a switch that lets you connect or disconnect the engine from the gearbox. Without a clutch plate, it would be impossible to change gears smoothly, and the engine would stall when stopping the vehicle. The clutch plate is made of metal with a layer of high-friction material on both sides. Similar to brake pads, this friction material grips the engine's flywheel and transfers power to the transmission when engaged. How does a clutch plate work? 1. When the clutch is engaged, pedal released, the clutch plate is tightly pressed between the flywheel connected to the engine and the pressure plate connected to the gearbox. Since the clutch plate is in direct contact with the flywheel, it spins at the same speed as the engine. Power flows from the engine through the clutch to the gearbox, making the vehicle move forward. 2. When the clutch is disengaged, pedal pressed, the pressure plate moves away, releasing the clutch plate. Since there is no pressure on the clutch plate, it stops spinning with the engine. The gearbox gets temporarily disconnected from the engine, allowing you to change gears smoothly. Why is the clutch plate important? 1. Smooth gear shifting allows the driver to change gears without grinding. 2. Prevents engine stalling, disconnects power when stopping the vehicle. 3. Controls power flow, engages and disengages power transmission efficiently. 4. Enhances driving comfort, provides a smooth and controlled driving experience. Types of clutch plates. Clutch plates are classified based on their design, number of plates, and working conditions. Below are the major types. Single plate clutch has only one clutch plate between the flywheel and the pressure plate. It is the most commonly used clutch in manual transmission vehicles, used in cars, trucks, buses, light commercial vehicles. Multiplate clutch. A multiplate clutch has multiple clutch plates stacked together to increase torque. Transmission. It is used where high-power transmission is needed in a small space. Used in motorcycles, racing cars, heavy-duty vehicles. Advantages. Handles higher torque in a compact design. Faster and smoother gear shifting. Less wear on each individual plate. Disadvantages. More complex and expensive. Generates more heat, requiring better cooling. 3. Wet clutch. A wet clutch is immersed in oil, which helps in cooling and lubrication. It is commonly used in motorcycles and racing vehicles. Used in motorcycles, scooters, high-performance vehicles. Advantages. Long-lasting due to reduced wear. Handles more heat efficiently. Disadvantages. Slight power loss due to oil resistance. More complex than a dry clutch. Example, Honda and Yamaha motorcycles use wet clutches. 4. Dry clutch. A dry clutch operates without oil, using only friction materials for engagement. It is commonly found in racing cars and some high-performance vehicles. Used in sports cars, racing vehicles, some high-end bikes. Advantages. More efficient power transfer. No oil contamination issues. Disadvantages. Wears out faster. More heat buildup. Example, Ferrari sports cars and Ducati motorcycles use dry clutches. 5. Centrifugal clutch. A centrifugal clutch engages automatically based on engine speed (RPM), without the need for manual operation. Used in scooters, automatic motorcycles, chainsaws, go-karts. Advantages. No need for a clutch pedal. Simple and automatic operation. Disadvantages. Less control over power transmission. Not suitable for heavy loads. Example, Honda Activa and lawnmowers use centrifugal clutches. 6. Cone clutch. A cone clutch uses conical friction surfaces instead of flat plates. It provides better torque transmission in a compact space. Used in heavy-duty vehicles, industrial machinery. Advantages. High torque transmission efficiency. Compact design. Disadvantages. More wear and tear over time. Requires precise alignment. Example, some old military and industrial vehicles use cone clutches.